I'm out here at Acadia National Park, and this is the Beehive Trail. Let's go. The Beehive Loop Trail is a popular but challenging hike in Acadia National Park. The trail starts out in a way that feels similar to a lot of other mountains on the East Coast, following a rock-scattered terrain through a forest and up a moderate incline.
Have fun.
Thanks. The trail is 1.4 miles long and traverses up a 450-foot cliff face, utilizing a series of iron rungs and ladders to assist hikers in their ascent. After the beginning section, hikers are met with a sign informing them of two potential routes to the summit. Hikers may go up and down the Bull Trail, which follows along the backside of the mountain and offers a more gradual incline. The route that I'll be following is the ladder loop, which goes up along the cliff face and returns back down via the Bull Trail. When you begin heading towards the ladder loop, you're immediately met with a warning sign informing you of some of the potential dangers and recommended precautions. From here, it isn't long before hikers begin their way up the cliff face that the trail is known for. Hey look, stairs. Hikers are met with stunning views of nearby sand beach and sections of the Acadia coastline throughout the ascent. Yeah, that part's pretty gnarly right there. That's fun. Always leave it better than you found it. Hey, look, stairs. Even with the rungs and ladders to help, there are narrow sections of the trail, and this certainly isn't for everyone. It's also more dangerous to go down this section than it is to go up it. Because of this, once you begin your ascent, you're basically committing yourself to reaching the summit. There's no turning back if it becomes too intense. The Beehive Trail, along with its bigger sibling, the Precipice Trail, are some of the more notoriously difficult trails in the park. Here, I met with one of the only things about this trail that I'm not a huge fan of. Because of the trail's popularity, it can be crowded at times, and you may have to wait for other hikers to complete a section before you can move forward. This can leave you stuck in place on the side of a cliff. It is recommended that hikers take this trail earlier in the day to avoid the crowds. All right, well, I'm up at the summit of the Beehive Trail. Woo! Hike's not over yet. I still have the return trip. The way back isn't as difficult as the way up. It goes on the backside of the mountain, and you don't have all these ladders and stuff, so what a hike. Once at the summit, you're met with spectacular views in all directions, and you'll definitely want to bring something to take pictures with if you decide to do this hike. I ate a snack and took in the views for a bit longer before returning down the backside of the mountain. The return trip is easier than the way up, but there are still a few steep sections, and it's important to remain careful with your steps. Anyone with a fear of heights or who isn't feeling up for the ladder loop may want to go up and down the Bull Trail because it still offers the same great views at the summit. While it may not be for everyone, this is a very fun hike at an amazing national park, and I'd highly recommend it to anyone who's up for the challenge. All right, well, that was the Beehive Trail. Thanks for coming along. Hope you guys had fun. I know I did. Like always, catch you on the next one. Peace.